Today's lesson is how to spot the difference between hard C and soft C. What do we mean by hard C? Hard C is the letter C that sounds k, 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 as in car, as in cat, as in cup, as in corn. Soft C. What do we mean by soft C? The letter C that sounds s, 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 as in cell, as in city, as in pencil, as in fancy. Again, this is the difference between hard C and soft C. Hard C is the letter C that sounds k, k. Soft C is the letter C that sounds s, s. But first, you should know how and when we pronounce the letter C as s. We pronounce the letter C as s when the letter C is followed by E or I or Y. Again, we pronounce soft C, the letter C that sounds S, when the letter C is followed by I, Y, and E. Let's read the words with soft C. Sill, sill. Why? Because here we see the letter E comes after the letter C, so we pronounce it cell. Here, city, city, we pronounce it city. Why? Because we see the letter I comes after the letter C. Here, pencil, pencil. Why we pronounce the letter C as soft C that sounds s, s, s. Why? Because we see the letter I comes after the letter C. And here, fancy. Can I call it fan-key? No. Why? Because here the letter C is followed by the letter Y, or the letter Y comes after the letter C. So here we call it fancy. S, s, C. Again, this is hard C and this is soft C. Hard C is the letter C that sounds k. Soft C is the letter C that sounds s. And when can we pronounce the letter C as in s? When it is followed by I, Y, and E. I, Y, and E. So, in this case, we pronounce the letter C as s, as in cell, city, pencil, and fancy, fancy. Very good. Now, let's see here something which is very important to read with soft C. I have here the letter I and the letter E. When the letter I is followed by the letter E at the end of each word, we pronounce it I, as in like. 9. Can I say it lick? No. Can I say it nin? No. I pronounce the letter I as I, as in like. 9. Fine. Line and bite. Again. Again. Like. 9. Fine. Line and bite. Very good. So here, let's read the rule of I followed by E with soft C. Let's read the first word. Rice. Rice. Why we pronounce it S? Because it is followed by E. Rice, rice. Very good. And here, ice. Ice. The letter I is followed by the letter E at the end of the word. And we see here the letter C is followed by the letter E. So we pronounce it soft C. So it is ice. Ice. And here the word nice. Nice. So the letter I is followed by the letter E at the end of the word, and then we see the letter C is followed by the letter E, so it is pronounced as nice. Nice. And the last word is mice. Mice. So here we see the letter M is followed by, the letter I is followed by the letter E at the end of the word, and we see the letter C is followed by the letter E, so it is pronounced as soft C, as in S. So it is mice, mice. So let's write words having soft C or hard C. Let's write the word camera. Camera. So ca, a, mi, ra. Camera. Very good. So this is the word camera. Let's write the word city. City. So it's C, soft C, and I. It is followed by I and then T and Y. It is the word city. Let's write the word rice. Rice. So it's R, I, C, soft C, and E. So here, this is the word rice. So let's see here. It's hard C. It's camera. 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 So it is hard C. It is pronounced as K. But here it is soft C because it's followed by I. So it's city. City. And here it is soft C. Why? Because it's followed by the letter E. So here it's rice. Rice. Very good. And now, let's read our story to practice reading soft C. Soft C. Let's read together. Spicy rice. Spicy rice. I make a pot of rice. It is spicy. It has hot sauce in it. My face gets red. That rice is hot. I take a sip of iced tea. Then I have more rice. I love spicy rice. Again, spicy rice. Spicy rice. Soft C here. Soft C. Why? Because it's followed by Y. Soft C here. Why? Because it's followed by E. So we pronounce it S. Spicy rice. Spicy rice. Spicy rice. I make a pot of rice. It is spicy. It has hot sauce in it. My face gets red. That rice is hot. I take a sip of iced tea. Iced. Then I have more rice. I love spicy rice. Let's see words having soft C. Spicy, rice, rice, spicy, sauce, face, rice, iced, rice, spicy, rice. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 words having soft C. The letter C that sounds S, S. It's rice. First spicy. Here, S, S, S. Spicy. And we have rice. And we have face. And we have iced. And we have what else? Spicy rice again and sauce. So here we have spicy, rice, face, iced, sauce. All these words having what? Having soft C. The letter C that sounds S, 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 spicy. Why here soft C? Because it's followed by the letter Y. Why here soft C? Because it's followed by the letter E. Why here soft C? Because it is followed by the letter E. And here it's soft C because it is followed by the letter E. And here soft C because it's followed by the letter E. So we pronounce the letter C as soft C when the letter is followed by I, E, and Y. Very good. So let's answer the questions of this reading comprehension together. The rice is what? Spicy, fancy, or icy? The rice is spicy. Very good. And here, I drink apple cider or a juice box or iced tea. I drink what? I drink what? I drink iced tea. Very good. And now let's remember hard C. What is the hard C sound? The hard C sounds K, K. The hard C sounds K, as in this words. We have here these words having letter C, but it is hard C. K. Carla. Carla is a cat. K. K. Carla is a cat. Carla has a car. K. K. Carla has a camera. K. 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 So here, the letter C that sounds K when it is not followed by I or E or Y, it is followed by the other letters of the alphabet. Thank you and goodbye. Try to spot the difference between hard C and soft C to read fluently and accurately. Thank you and goodbye.